Did you know that the Japanese live longer than any other population in the world? Could it be something to do with their food? A fascinating question, isn't it? Let's delve into the heart of Japan, a nation renowned for its healthy and flavorful cuisine. Japanese food culture is an intricate blend of tradition, taste, and a deep reverence for nature. This vibrant culture is a testament to their diet, considered one of the healthiest globally. From the fresh, raw slices of sashimi to the warm, comforting slurps of ramen, Japanese cuisine is a testament to balance and nourishment. Throughout this video, we'll be exploring this fascinating culture in a fun quiz format, revealing surprising facts and debunking myths. We'll journey through the etiquette of dining, the sacred tea ceremonies, the staples of their diet, and some rather unusual dishes. Are you ready to embark on this culinary adventure? Stay tuned to find out how much you know about Japanese food culture. Question 1. True or false? Slurping while eating noodles is considered rude in Japan. If you answered true, you might be surprised to learn that the opposite is actually correct. In Japan, slurping your noodles is not only acceptable, but it's also considered a sign of appreciation. Yes, you heard that right. When you slurp your noodles, it signals to the chef that you are enjoying the meal. It's an element of Japanese dining etiquette that often catches visitors by surprise. This slurping technique is used primarily when eating noodle dishes like ramen, udon, and soba. It's believed that slurping enhances the flavors of the dish and cools down the hot noodles before they enter your mouth. So in contrast to Western dining norms where such a sound might earn you a few sideways glances, in Japan, it's a compliment to the chef. So if you're ever in Japan, don't forget to slurp your noodles. Question 2. What is the name of the traditional Japanese tea ceremony that is considered an art form? The answer is chado or sado, which means the way of tea. This isn't just your average cuppa. The Japanese tea ceremony is a choreographic ritual of preparing and serving green tea called matcha, together with traditional Japanese sweets to balance the bitter taste of the tea. Every movement is practiced and perfected, from the cleaning of the tools to the precise order of actions. It's not just about drinking tea, but about aesthetics, preparation, and presentation, embodying the principles of harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. It's a fascinating reflection of the Japanese culture's attention to detail, respect for process, and the pursuit of perfection. So the next time you're sipping on your tea, take a moment to appreciate the artistry and philosophy behind the Japanese tea ceremony. Next time you drink tea, remember the artistry of the Japanese tea ceremony. Question 3. What are the 3 staples of Japanese cuisine? The answer? Rice, fish, and vegetables. Now let's dive a little deeper. Rice, known as gohan in Japan, is not just a side dish. It's the heart of many meals, served plain to highlight its delicate flavor. It's also the base for sushi, a worldwide favorite. Next we have fish. Japan is an island nation surrounded by the sea, so it's no surprise that fish is a staple. Whether it's fresh sashimi, grilled mackerel, or a comforting bowl of fish broth, seafood is an integral part of Japanese meals. Finally, vegetables. Japanese cuisine celebrates the seasons by incorporating fresh seasonal vegetables. From crisp cucumbers to tender bamboo shoots, vegetables add color, texture, and nutrition to Japanese dishes. Healthy and delicious, that's the beauty of Japanese cuisine. Question 4. Can you name an unusual dish that is popular in Japan but might be considered strange elsewhere? Let's delve into the answer, shall we? Japan certainly has its fair share of unique dishes, some of which might seem a little peculiar to the unfamiliar palate. Take natto, for example, a traditional breakfast dish made from fermented soybeans. With its strong aroma and distinct slimy texture, it's a dish that's often met with mixed feelings. But it's packed with protein and is considered a health food in Japan. Then there's fugu, or pufferfish, an infamous delicacy that requires meticulous preparation by trained chefs due to its potentially lethal poison. Despite the risk, it's highly sought after for its unique taste and texture. From fermented foods to risky delicacies, Japanese cuisine certainly pushes the boundaries of culinary exploration. It's an adventure in every mouthful. Japanese cuisine is full of surprises, isn't it? So, how did you fare in our Japanese food culture quiz? Did the land of the rising sun surprise you with its culinary customs and traditions? Let's take a moment to reflect on the intriguing journey we embarked upon today. We started off exploring the intricate world of Japanese dining etiquette. We learned that it's not just about eating, but a form of art, respect, and gratitude. From the simple act of saying itadakimasu before a meal to the proper way of using chopsticks, each detail carries a significant cultural value. It's a testament to the Japanese people's meticulous attention to order and decorum. Next, we steeped ourselves in the calming ritual of the Japanese tea ceremony. A tradition deeply rooted in Zen Buddhism, it's a spiritual experience that goes beyond merely drinking tea. The tea ceremony, or chado, is a celebration of aesthetics, mindfulness, and harmony, encapsulating the Japanese concept of ichigo ichii, meaning one time, one meeting. We then ventured into the realm of Japanese food staples, discovering the backbone of their cuisine. From the ubiquitous sushi and ramen to the less-known but equally important natto and onigiri, we saw how each dish reflects the Japanese philosophy of seasonal and regional variety. And who can forget the unusual dishes we encountered? From the potentially deadly pufferfish or fugu to the fermented soybeans known as natto, we learned that Japanese cuisine is not for the faint-hearted. It's a culinary adventure that challenges your palate and pushes the boundaries of your comfort zone. We hope this quiz sparked your curiosity and encouraged you to delve deeper into the fascinating world of Japanese food culture. The journey doesn't end here. There's so much more to discover, so many more dishes to try, so many more traditions to learn about. Remember, food is not just about nourishment, it's a way of life, especially in Japan. Until next time, sayonara.